Here's a little 1970 Honda Trail 70. It was restored a few years ago by myself. Basically took it all apart, got it painted, new tires, and instead of painting the wheels, I powder coated them. The hubs are painted. But it was just a fun project while my kids were off to college. And I had some time on my hands, but not a lot of money. But it was just fun to put this bike, take it apart, put it back together. These side cases are also powder coated, they're not painted. Took the engine apart, it was in very good shape. Put new rings in it, honed the cylinders, and the valves didn't cost much, so I just put new valves in it. The clutch and everything was in good shape, but I went ahead and replaced the soft discs. It's a 3-speed, kind of an automatic clutch. The tires are original style tread, and you can see by the lack of wear, it's probably been ridden maybe 100 miles since I did it all. There's the carburetor. I'll do another video of it running. I actually haven't started it in a few years. It's been in dry storage in my office, and I drained the gas. So I'll put some gas in it, and I'll do another video of it running. It was running good when I kind of put it away. In fact, you can check the oil here. I'm sure it's clear. Yeah. Can't even see it on the dipstick because it's so clear. But I had one of these when I was a kid, and it was just fun to take it apart, put it together, and kind of play with it. Put the buddy pegs on the back. I powder coated the foot pegs. And the VIN number, it's a 1970, is CT70219766. And I can show you where it's stamped on the frame, over here on the left side, from the factory, CT70219766. You can see the cylinder. I also went powder coating crazy. I bead blasted the head, but powder coated the cylinder. It's a fun little bike. It's been office art for a while, but it's time to thin my herd a little bit, sell a few things. The total mileage on it is 2941, and I didn't change the speedometer when I restored it. That's just the total miles that are on the bike before and after the restoration. I didn't, some guys restore them and put a 0 mile odometer, but this one's, like I said, probably 100 miles since I've kind of taken it apart and redid it. But there you have it. If you got any questions, post them up. I'll do my best to answer them, and as I mentioned, I'll do another video. We'll start her up, and I believe I took the battery out too, but I'm pretty sure, if I remember, these will start without a battery. They kind of got a little set of points and a little magneto, but I love the color. It was the color of the one I had when I was a kid, so that's what I was after, that kind of green apple color. But have a good day, enjoy the auction, and maybe this Trail 70 will be yours. The handlebars do fold down. Back in the day, people would haul them in the back of their station wagon or in the trunk of a big sedan. A lot of the cars back then had giant trunks. So yeah, they just turn the gas off and fold the bars down and stick it in the trunk. I remember as a kid when I'd ride it, when I would ride my Trail 70, it felt like it would go 100 miles an hour Well, my 100 miles an hour back then equates to about 30 miles an hour by today's standards. Third gear will wind out at 50, but I've never been 50 miles an hour on this. I don't even know if it'd go 50 miles an hour. Well, have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I didn't bore you too much. But it's a fun little bike. Have a great day.